Hi there. This video is to show you how to get started with the Taste the Rainbow activity that you have yet to finish. So the Taste the Rainbow activity, for this activity you will need Skittles, okay, 3 colors of Skittles. You'll need colored pencils, okay, and you'll need the handout, and the handout looks like this. On the handout, the background information talks about photosynthesis and respiration, talks about the ingredients and reactants and products, and it says at the bottom, the last paragraph, during this lab you'll use Skittles to represent the molecules found in photosynthesis and respiration. So notice that the formulas and the names are given here at the bottom. Then I get down here to the materials and the procedure. Well, I have to decide what color Skittle I'm going to use to represent each atom found in the chemical reactions of photosynthesis and cellular respiration. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use green for carbon. Oops. I'm going to use yellow for hydrogen, and I'm going to use red for oxygen. It doesn't really matter which color you pick. You have different colors maybe, or you have 3 colors. You pick which colors you want which. And I'm going to use the Skittles to make models of these reactions. That's the whole point, okay? So first thing I do is I fill out this chart for photosynthesis and for respiration with the names of the formulas given in the photosynthesis reaction and in the respiration reaction, okay? Kind of figure you could figure that out. Then you answer questions 3 through 8 about the carbon atoms, the oxygen atoms, and the hydrogen atoms in photosynthesis and respiration. And when you get down here to number 9, it says place the correct color and number of Skittles so that they represent the molecules of photosynthesis. Okay, well, so what's that going to look like? Remembering what Skittles I'm going to use, okay, green is carbon, yellow is hydrogen, and orange is oxygen. Okay, I need to make CO2 first because the first reactant in photosynthesis is CO2. So I need 1 green and 2 reds to represent a CO2. So a CO2 could look like that, couldn't it? Sure. Now in the equation on your handout, it says 6 CO2, so I'm going to need to make 6 of these. Okay, I need to make 6 of them. Make 6 of them. All right, so there's 3. Obviously, you kind of get the idea for what I'm making here. I also need to make H2O. So I need 2 H's and 1 O. Okay, so let's say an H2O molecule looks like that. And I need to make 6 of these. Okay, I need to make 6 of these. So once I've made 6 of both of these, I'm going to sketch those, okay, in the space provided on the handout. What does that look like? Well, on the handout, you'll notice on the second page at the bottom, near the bottom, it says draw a colored picture of your Skittle representation. So you're going to draw your 6 CO2s in here and your 6 H2Os in here, the reactants. You also have to draw the products, so then you're going to draw an arrow, and we're going to make the products out of our Skittles. We're going to make the products of our Skittles by rearranging our atoms just like plants do in photosynthesis or just like animals do in respiration, in cellular respiration or in photosynthesis on the cellular level. So what's that going to look like? I've drawn my 6 CO2s, I've drawn my 6 H2Os, I need to rearrange them in a chemical reaction. Okay. I need to make a C6H12O6. What does a C6H12O6 look like? Well, remember, I have 6 of these CO2s, and I have 6 of these H2Os, all right? Not just 3. I've made 3, I know. I'm going to try to hurry up and throw this together so that you get an idea of what the rearranging looks like. All right. And I need 6 of these H2Os. I hope I have enough. Your bag of Skittles should have enough of everything. Oh, look. Amazing. I do have enough. All right. So this, I'm going to sketch this with colored pencils, plus this yields, now I got to make the products. So these atoms in the carbon dioxide and these atoms in the molecules of water are going to get rearranged. And I need to make a C6H12O6. So I need to take 6 C's. I need to take 12 H's. And I need to take 6 O's and make a molecule of C6H12O6. So there's C6H12O6. As it turns out, of course, C6H12O6 has a different structure than that, but you get the idea. That's the whole point, is you get the idea from it. The other product of photosynthesis is oxygen. So I need to make my oxygen too, and I need 6 of those. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So I have 6 O2 molecules. So I'll draw that in my products of photosynthesis. I'm using the skittles to manipulate the atoms in a reaction because it kind of shows me how the cells do it in a plant doing photosynthesis, or how the cells would do it in the plant, or in an animal or a plant doing cellular respiration. So my handout should have a color sketch in here of the reactants and products of photosynthesis. Then you're going to do the same thing for cellular respiration. Follow along with the equation. Use your skittles to make a C6H12O6 plus 6O2, and then rearrange them into 6CO2 and 6H2O. Okay? So that's how you do this activity. If you have any other questions, please contact me. Good luck.